Good morning students. Today we will discuss the topic equilibrium and disequilibrium in BOP, balance of payment. Okay. So what is BOP? As in earlier videos we discuss about the meaning of BOP. Then we talk about the components of BOP. So what is BOP? BOP is a monetary statement of a country with the rest of the world. Okay, monetary transaction means we include export and import of goods and services, visible goods, invisible goods, transfer payments. Okay, so then we talk about the components of BOP. Components of BOP. So what are the components of BOP? As we talk in our earlier videos, mainly there are three components. That is, first is current account. Okay, current account. First is current account. So what is current account? What is current account? In current account we include export and import of goods, means visible goods, and services means export and import of services means invisible goods. Okay, and transfer payments. Transfer payments means one-sided payments. Okay, as a gift, donation given by one country to the rest of the world, or given by rest of the world to the in our domestic country. Okay, so first component is current account, and in this we include export and import of goods and services. Goods means visible goods. Visible goods means the goods which can be seen while crossing the boundary of a country, and services invisible because services cannot be seen. Okay, services cannot be seen, like service of a doctor means a doctor is treating a patient cannot be seen. Okay, then second component is capital account. First is current account, second is capital account. So what is capital account? In capital account we include all those transactions which are related to changing of ownership. Okay, means if a foreigner is purchasing plant and machinery in our country, in our domestic country, it means that plant and machinery is in our domestic territory only, but there is change of ownership. Okay, means ownership change from our domestic country to foreign person. Okay, and second is that investment by foreigners in our domestic economy means if a foreigner is purchasing bonds and shares of our domestic company, so these bonds and share ownership change from our domestic country to foreign country. Okay, so mainly in capital account we include investment. In investment we include FDI, FII. FDI means foreign direct investment. Okay, and FII foreign institutional investment. And then second component is borrowing. So in capital account record all transactions related to investment and borrowing. Okay, investment and borrowing, and there are other also many type of inflow and outflow of foreign reserve, like banking system. Okay, NRI depositing money in our own country, and then other flows are related to transfer of foreign reserve, means if there is inflow of foreign reserve in our domestic country and outflow of foreign reserve from our domestic country to the rest of the world. Okay, then third component is officially reserve. Officially reserve account. reserve account. What is this account? What it means? It shows the overall balance. Okay? Overall balance. Overall balance means that the purchasing and selling of foreign currency is leading by RBI, Reserve Bank of India. If there is need of selling of foreign reserve, then the RBI will play the lead role, and if there is need of purchasing of foreign reserve, foreign currency, then also RBI will play the lead role. Okay. So it shows the overall balance of a foreign reserve of a country. Okay. Sometimes it can be shown with the capital account also. Okay. Normally it is always in balance only, because a positive means if there is an increase or in the foreign currency, that are shown with the increase in the foreign currency. So it is almost shown in the balance only. Okay. So equilibrium and disequilibrium in BOP. So how we will keep to know that our balance of payment is in equilibrium or disequilibrium. Okay. So what is equilibrium? Equilibrium means that we have discussed three components: current account, capital account and officially reserve. Okay. So if the three accounts means current account, first is current account plus capital account is equal to 0. Okay. Then BOP is in equilibrium situation. BOP is in equilibrium when capital account plus current account is equal to 0. In this, error and omissions are not included. Means because error and omissions are that if there is some error, then if there is increase or decrease in officially we can say foreign reserve, then that are shown with the plus and minus sign. So it is always shown in balance only. Okay. So if capital account and current account is equal to 0, then there is BOP equilibrium. So BOP equilibrium. BOP is in equilibrium situation when current account balance plus capital account balance plus error and omissions. These are equal to 0. Okay. And there is no movement in the officially reserve account. No movement means there is no increase or decrease in the officially reserve account. Okay. So BOP is in equilibrium. In other terms, we can also say that current account plus capital account both are equal to 0. Then our BOP is in equilibrium situation. Okay. But when will be disequilibrium situation? Disequilibrium means current account plus capital account both are not equal to 0. There is movement in the officially reserve. There is increase or decrease in the officially reserve. Officially reserve means there is increase or decrease in the foreign currency, or we can say there is inflow or outflow of the foreign currency. If there is inflow, then there is increase in the foreign officially reserve. If there is outflow, then there is decrease in the officially reserve. Okay. So disequilibrium situation means current account balance plus capital account balance plus error and omissions are not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Okay. This is the situation of disequilibrium of balance of payment. Okay. Then in disequilibrium, we said that current account balance and capital account balance both are not equal to 0. There is increase or decrease in officially reserve or foreign currency. Okay. If there is increase in the official currency, it means there is inflow of foreign currency. So what we call this BOP surplus. BOP surplus. Okay. Current account. What is BOP surplus? Balance of payment surplus. Current account plus capital account plus capital account is not equal to 0, or we can say there is movement or increase in officially reserve. Increase means plus positive, it means it is in surplus. So our balance of payment is in surplus. Okay. BOP deficit means current account plus capital account is not equal to 0, or decrease in officially reserve, means minus. Okay, there is outflow of foreign reserve. So our BOP is in deficit. Okay, so these are the situation of BOP equilibrium and disequilibrium. Okay, so in this we have discussed that what are the mainly components that we have discussed. 3 type of current account. So what we include in current account, then capital account. So what type of things, investment and borrowing mainly are shown in the capital account. Then officially reserve means this is related to foreign currencies, inflow and outflow of foreign currency that is maintained by the RBI in officially reserve account. Okay. Then we discuss equilibrium when current account, capital account and plus error and omissions both are equal to 0. There is no movement, inflow and outflow of foreign reserve. Then we have an equilibrium. Okay. At this point 0 point our BOP equilibrium is struck. Okay. Then BOP disequilibrium means this is not equal to 0. There is plus or minus. Okay. If there is plus of foreign reserve, it means that there is BOP surplus. Minus means there is decrease in the foreign reserve, means BOP deficit. Okay. So these are the situation of in BOP equilibrium and disequilibrium. Okay. So students, watch the video and also read from your book. Okay. And read the concept carefully. Current account, capital account means what type of things are included in current account and capital account. Okay. And if you have any doubt, any query, you are free to ask. Thank you.